afford to go back. Right, sir. He is Rocky Singh, 21-year-old. He is from Howrah. He's done his 10th, 12th, and graduation from Calcutta itself, that is Howrah itself. He has done reasonably well. He was 63% in class 10th, went up to 75%, class topper in class 12th. Subsequently, he took arts as a subject, and he is about, say, has 60 odd percent in class in graduation. He has passed his CBS examination, and he is likely to appear in SSB in February. He has got a father. His father is working in a private firm, earning about 20,000 per month. He's got two elder brothers. One elder brother again working in the private firm, and another brother is still a student. So as far as he is concerned, he has been C certificate holder. He is a keen football player, and he is midfielder. That is what he claims to be. This is first SSB. So now I hand over to Colonel Kadam for onward journey till end. Right then.
Okay, right, Rocky. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Your name comes here as Vishnu Malik. How's
Sir,
it?
sir, actually, my phone has not that good connection of sir headphones, sir. So I am using my friend's phone, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes.
Yeah, I was a little confused otherwise. You have got a very good name, Rocky, and
Yes, sir.
it is
Thank you, sir.
hopefully you'll keep rocking.
Yes, sir.
Right. You have given one of your hobbies is traveling.
Yeah, sir. Actually, it was interest, sir.
Okay, interest.
Yes, sir.
So tell me everything about traveling. Where all have you traveled? What have you liked about those places? What have you learned from those places? And how does traveling help one to grow?
Sir, I have traveled, sir, Mumbai, and in last before 2 years, sir, I had traveled Darjeeling, Mirik, and I like very much of their, sir, culture of their people of Mirik. They are very much connected to environment, and they are very down to earth, and their behavior are so politely, sir. And a man can grow with traveling is he came to know about different places and their historical pieces, and the people, how people live on the surface of earth everywhere, sir.
And what have you gained from it?
Sir, I liked very much, sir, the behavior of their people, and I learned so many things, like how to talk with another one's place of people, and that's it, sir.
See, liking is different, and gaining is different, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
So, what have you gained? What have you achieved from that traveling?
Sir, I have gained something like the lifestyle of their people are not as easy than normal townspeople. They are working hard, so we should work hard for our living. If we are seeing is life is easy, then that is not that much. People should work hard for their lifestyle.
Okay, good. Now, Rocky, we will talk about you, starting from your family, then starting with your education, then family, and things like that. Please listen to the questions correctly and answer those questions. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Starting with your education first.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me from standard 8th onwards, where all did you study? Who financed your studies? How much it was difficult or easy to finance your education? What all subjects you liked? The subjects you did not fare well in them? What are the games, extracurricular activities you did in your school and college days? And tell me about the teachers whom you liked the most and why. And also the teachers whom you didn't care about much and why. And how many friends did you have during your school college days? How many of them were close friends, and why were they close to you compared to other friends? Right.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have studied in the same school from 8 to 12, sir. And the school was near to my home in walking 15 minutes. And there was a teacher named Sanjay Kumar, and another one teacher is Akash Anna, who is my favorite. They taught me well. They are very polite, and even whenever I nothing understanding something, they will there to understand me. And of my finance education is I'm from government school, sir. There is nothing much fees of that, so it's not that much hard to maintaining all that. My parents are used to finance me about it, and my favorite subject is sir history, and because the teacher Sanjay Thakur was taught me very well, and there is nothing like none teacher is impressing there all well, but as the way the teacher Sanjay Thakur taught me history, they are more impressive than any other, and my friends are from class 8 and to 12. There are Asfaq Khan and Viswajit Bhagat. And in my colleges, sir, there is my friend named Vishnu Malik. They are all very well. I am very much thankful to God that I have found that these friends, they are there whenever I need them. They are very polite and helpful. They are don't think what the time and circumstances are. They are able to help me. And my extracurricular activities is, sir, I play football, and I like to write poems poems, or we can say ghazals, in my free times. And I often basically sometimes I used to play volleyball a little bit, sir.
So football you played at the district level?
Sir, in my school time, sir, there was a match between school at in a district, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So tell me all the players and their positions in a football match, and the dimension of the ground, as well as the various football tournaments in our country.
Yes, sir. Sir, there are 11 players in a team. One is goalkeeper, and two is left back and right back. Two is back central fielder, and two is forwards for midfielder, and one is left midfielder and right midfielder, and there are two central forwards, sir. And the goalpost height is 8 feet, and the length of between two bar is 24 feet. And there are trophies like FIFA World Cup, UEFA World Cup, and in India, sir, there is a Hero Super League and Champions Trophy. These are the trophies, sir.
Okay. And what is the size of the football field?
Sir, football field, sir, 120 meter length and 45 to 60 meter breadth, sir.
125 by 45?
No, sir. 120 is length, sir, and 45 to 50 or 60, sir, is breadth, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, Rocky, we will talk about your family. Tell
Yes,
me
sir.
about something about your parents, your relations with your father, your mother, your brothers, what all you do together as family, what all you do with your brothers, what all discussion you have in your family, what is the reason that you fight amongst your brothers, if at all, and what do you do if you have a fight with your brothers? And tell me, at home, what is your routine on a Sunday and on a day when you are going to school or college?
Okay, sir. Sir, there is two elder brothers, and I am younger one. My mother is a housemaker, and my father do a private job. and I have a very nice relationship with all of them. My father, whenever we often meet at our dinner, and from now, beside 3 or 4 years, my father is used to live in Hyderabad for his work management, and so now 3 or 4 years we are not meeting. But when we were together, we used to talk about everything. My father taught me and telling me stories of his parents, our village, and how to study. And every time they motivated me to work hard. And my mother is so nice to me that because every time I'm very close to my mother than my father, because he used to spend his more time in his work. And my father is home, my mother is at my home. So whenever I need to talk someone, I go to my mother. I have very good relationship with my both of elder brothers, and I often used to share my everything with my brothers, and they are very friendly in manner. And there is nothing like that Bishma fight. We are a little bit tutu meme types fight, and it's all okay. If there were any mistake of mine, I will say them sorry, and it goes on, sir. There's nothing like that much. They are very friendly to me, sir.
What do you do together as family or with your brothers?
Sir, as we are from middle class family, sir, we used to go somewhere on Sundays, like with my young elder brothers. We are not that much going somewhere with my whole family. I took my mother to temples like the Kineshwar and Kalighat, and in Sundays on and holidays we used to watch movies together, sir.
Okay, good. You didn't tell me about your routine on holiday and on the day when you go to the school or college.
Sir, when it was holiday, I used to play football in the morning, and after having breakfast and all, I
Tell me right from the time you start in the morning, get up in the morning till the time you go to sleep.
okay, sir. In the holidays, I woke up approximately 6 a.m. and from there, I used to go play football and come from there approximately 9. And after having breakfast till 10 or 10:30, there are some works like marketing and brand events stuff. After doing that all, we with my family, I had my lunch, and after having lunch, me and my one elder brother used to talk much about stories and what he is doing and what is not. And sometimes we used to watch movies whole family together in afternoon, and in the evening we go somewhere with my friends to talk and normally. And after evening we come home. And having help my mother sometimes, like cutting vegetables and all, and read a book little more. And after that I have dinner at 10, and uh, after then go to sleep, sir.
Okay, that is good. And what about on a working day?
Sir, working day is, sir, like my college and school are both on the same time. From 10, I used to uh, left my home on 10 onwards, sir, and returning from there, it will take 5 p.m. So, sir, in the morning, same I used to use uh, after having breakfast and some studies, and then left for college. And after returning from them college, I used to, sir, teach students for my extra expenses, and it will take 2 or 3 hours. Then it will 8 o'clock, and after 8 o'clock I return home. And returning home, there was I use a phone little bit, and talking with my mother. And after that we had dinner. That's it, sir.
Okay. So I
Yes, sir.
see from your routine and on a holiday and on a day when you go to school, college,
Yes, sir.
You don't do any work at home. Your mother is all alone. Your father is working out. Your two brothers, elders also working. You as the youngest, you don't feel like helping your mother at all at home?
No, yes, sir. I said that on my holidays and when I returned from
What do you
college
do on
and
holidays? What do you do?
sir, I said that in evening and in the morning also I help my mother with rani stuff and cutting vegetables and that's also.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So cutting vegetables only, not cleaning anything.
Yes, sir.
Who manages your room or your cupboard, your clothes and everything?
Sir, that's all done by me, sir.
Okay, good. Now, you said you do traveling, write poems during your spare time, and
Yes, sir.
you like music also,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes,
So tell
sir.
me about music and poem. What exactly you do? Why do you do it? What do you gain from it? And read out one of your poems if you remember.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, that's not. There is a term called ghazal. I used to write ghazals, and gaining music. Music is like a therapy. Whenever a people is not stable mentally and is very conscious, we used to listen music because it's very much helpful. And I like to write ghazals because it's somewhere I like to do it, sir. If I want to something and express my feeling, I started to writing, sir. And you are said to recite my poem or ghazal. It was like said that, can I cite, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, it was in Hindi that इन आग से निकले हम राख में लिपटे हैं रातों को जागकर कुछ बात हम लिखते हैं इन आग से निकले हम राख में लिपटे हैं रातों को जागकर कुछ बात हम लिखते हैं अब चारों तरफ खुमार है सुखनवरों का जॉन और फैज अब कहाँ लिखते हैं अब चारों तरफ खुमार है सुखनवरों का जॉन और फैज अब कहाँ लिखते हैं मुजरिम कोई और है और तोड़ कलम को दिया जाता है मुजरिम कोई और है और तोड़ कलम को दिया जाता है काजी जब भी मौत लिखते हैं That was, sir.
Tell me what is the meaning of this? What are you trying to convey in this poem?
Sir, each couplet has their own meaning.
Tell me the complete couplet. What is the essence of this ghazal, and what are you trying to convey in this?
Sir, in first couplet, sir, I said, in आग से निकले हम राख में लिपटे हैं रातों को जागकर कुछ बात हम लिखते हैं. Sir, in that says there are आग denotes, sir, the troubles, the problems of our life, and we are around it, sir. And so we are writing what we in it, sir. And the second couplet is अब चारों तरफ खुमार है सुखनवरों का. There are so many poets nowadays, sir. Sukhanvar means poets. There are so many poets nowadays, but the John Elias Saab and the Faiz Saab are not now, and no one is like them. And the third couplet is, sir, Muslim ko, whenever we see that, sir, when court announced Fasi to anyone, they put their needles down. So, matlab, in the sense, sir, culprit is anyone else, but we put down, sir, our pen. So in that sense, मुजरिम कोई और है और तोड़ कलम को दिया जाता है. काजी means, sir, judge जब भी वो मौत लिखते हैं. That's it, sir. Okay,
good. Now you said you're also one of your hobbies is traveling. You like traveling.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So once you're traveling in the train,
yes, sir,
a sleeper, second class sleeper.
Yes, sir.
And with your 2-3 friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
yes,
at night you are going gupshup, enjoying your travel. You hear a girl's voice from your compartment shouting, helping for help. What
yes,
will
sir.
you do?
Sir, I will send my 1 or 2 friends.
Friends say, यार तेरे को क्या करना है? चुपचाप हम let's play card खेल रहे हैं, गप्पे लगा रहे हैं, यही काम करते हैं.
Sir, so then I will tell them you can continue, and first let me check what the situation is, and I will go there and see what will there happening.
Once you go there, you find there are 2-3 gundas who are troubling a girl. What will you do now? And the gundas tell you, यहाँ से भाग जाने तो तेरे को लगाऊंगा थप्पड़.
Sir, I will immediately inform the RPF and
उनमें से एक आदमी, एक लड़का तेरे को पकड़ के रखता है, कहाँ जाता है, इधर चुपचाप नीचे बैठ, सर नीचे करके.
Sir, I will also shout for my friends. I will
तेरा मुंह दबा देते हैं.
If they, sir.
और दूसरा एक अभी तेरे को घुसा मारता है मुंह में इतने देर में.
Sir, then I will, sir, try with my full power to.
They don't let you. उधर 2-3 है, 2-3 उन्होंने पकड़ कर तेरे को तेरी पिटाई शुरू हो जाती है.
Sir, I will try to fight with them and.
वो फाइट करने देते नहीं, वो लगाते हैं तेरे को, बोलते हैं चुपचाप इधर मुंह नीचे करके बैठ जाने तो और पिटाई करेंगे.
Sir, then on that time, sir, I will keep silent and जैसे ही मेरे को सर कोई मौका मिलता है, I will वहां से निकल जाएंगे सर हम सर.
अच्छा.
Yes sir.
और आप निकल जाने के बाद क्या करेंगे?
सर निकलने के बाद तुरंत अपने after I will inform RPF and tell my friends to help the woman who is crying, and after informing the RPF, they will come and they will catch the goons, sir.
Okay. Tell me, in such a situation when there are 2-3 boys, you are also a young, hefty, well-built person.
Yes,
Can
sir.
2-3 persons overpower you? Especially when, say, a girl is in distress.
No,
Is
sir.
it possible?
If I'm alone and there are 3-4 men, then it is possible to they will overpower me. But if we were also 2 or 3 men and there are also 2 or 3 or 4 men, then we will power them, sir.
So in this tussle, when you're fighting with them, why didn't you call your friends to come?
Sir,
your friends are not that good.
Sir,
Firstly, they don't come with you, and even after that, you don't expect them to come to you, your help.
Sir, you said that they will not telling me anything, sir. They will shut my mouth, sir.
No, but initially they were not ready to come to find out what is happening to the girl. But afterwards, it is in the same bogie, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
So you don't.
Sir, after when I was when I was left them from and when I came to them again and I will convince them, they will surely come to help me, sir.
Okay, good. Right. So now you have finished your graduation?
Yes, sir.
Good. So one of your friends,
yes, sir.
He tells your principal from your college is calling you, and once you go there, the principal tells, we want you to conduct football matches in our college.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what all planning will you do? How exactly will conduct? There are 4 teams from the college. He wants you to conduct a league matches and thereafter finals, including the finals.
Yes, sir. So, sir, firstly, I will decide venue. Sir, in front of my college, after crossing road, there is a ground where we can conduct, and it will be, sir, knockout tournament and one-day tournament. And as a chief guest, I will call, sir, my principal and vice president of my college, and it will be informed all one, and I will take 2 or 4 or 5 my friends to manage all things and manage all things. And after I will set a day to start a match and inform all those 4 teams that they have to going to play a league. And there were match started on the day of the match at 10 a.m. sharp, and each of the match will be of 45 minutes to 1 hour, and there will be knockout match. And when the 2 teams goes into the finals, when the two teams goes into the final, there will be our guest, our principal and vice president, and whoever will win the match, our guest means principal or vice president, give them trophies.
Oh, why knockout matches when I'm asking you, and how many matches will be there if there is league for 4 teams?
Sir, because sir, in one day there is not possible to conduct a whole league completely, sir. Knockout match will be help to save times and
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
but it was not meant to be one day. Principal just gave you the guidelines, what all you have to do. You have to do all the planning and execution.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. You'll have to work out where, how many matches, where all, who all, referees, other help required in conducting. You'll have to give specific tasks to your friends. Your friends
Yes,
will not help. You will have to tell them individually what all work they have to do. Then
Yes,
only
sir.
you are an organizer. Otherwise, just telling friends and they will do. So I think it will go for a 6, that complete tournament, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me, at what stage you
Yes, sir.
decided to join the army,
Sir,
and why? Tell me, give me a few reasons as to why you want to join the armed forces.
sir, when I was in class 10th, and from then I want to join NCC, but I was not joined because of some circumstances. There was a past time of March. They will take admissions on March, and I will go there on August. So when I came to my college and I joined NCC, and joined NCC and see their how officers and army personnel are living their life, their uniforms, their daily life routine, their personality, their their motivation toward our nation is inspired me so much. So, and in my life, I am also decided to do something for my nation. I want to serve my nation uh, because I like it very much, and that's why I want to join Indian Armed Forces.
And see, any other profession other than army, you mean to say they don't serve the nation?
Yes, sir. They all serve the nation, but in my view, sir, it is the best way to serve the nation, and I will. It will give you adventurous life, ethnic, and you will be top priority for serving the nation. Sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Say
sir.
for some reason you are not able to make to the armed forces.
Yes,
What
sir.
is your second choice?
Sir, I will try. I will try, sir, another attempt in my another attempt, sir.
No, you have missed all your attempts. What is your second choice of career?
Sir, now I'm not thought of that, sir. That I'm not will clear. I have 4 or 5 chances from now, and I will make sure it to clear that, sir.
Okay, good. It's
Yes,
been
sir.
nice talking to you, Rocky.
Thank you very much, sir.
Do you have any questions which you would like to ask me?
Sir, yes, sir. I have a question. Like you say, you questioned me why you want to join armed forces. I have the same question from you for you, sir. Why
For
you
me?
have joined? Yes, sir.
I have already left the armed forces. I don't want to join now.
Sir, in your young when you were young, sir, why do you join armed forces?
Okay, I'll tell you. First is my grandfather, my father, they were in the army. So, carrying out the family tradition. I liked outdoors a lot more than studying in the classrooms. So looking at various options, I found the armed forces was actually good for outdoor activities. Anybody who liked traveling, playing games, and seeing going all over the country, traveling, going abroad, everything. So that fascinated me. Plus my dislike for academic studies. That time I thought if you join the armed forces, you don't have to study, but I was wrong. In the army, you have to work, you have to study much more than what they work in the outside the armed forces. But anyway, these were the 3 motivating factors. Most important was my ancestral job or whatever you call it. My grandfather, my dad, they were in the army, and they used to tell me a lot of stories about the army, and that fascinated me actually. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Thank you. No, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Right, sir?
Thank you, sir. I think, we'll ask now first Rocky Wali to analyze his own interview. How do you analyze yourself?
What, sir?
You analyze your own interview now. You have given the interview is over. Now let's
Yes, sir.
understand how do you rate your interview? What were the pluses that you have shown? What are the minuses you have shown? What do you think you should have said? What do you think you have said something which was unwarranted? What do you think that something which you have shown shows a lot of strength in you?
Sir,
Analyze your own interview.
Sir, I think it was great, sir. I had given a lot of time to of it, sir. It is very much cheerful and motivating for me. I am. It was like seriously a meeting of that, sir. And I could say, sir, it is. I can learn so many things that how I should speak. I think I am liking in speaking in English, and I will work on it. And I think I do well. And if I'm going to rate myself out of 10, I will give, sir, 5 to 6. Sir.
So you feel communication was one of the weaknesses that you have shown, and probably you rate yourself in between.
Yes, sir.
Halfway. Okay.
Yes, sir. In I sometimes I think
What
I'm
is
stammering, sir.
your strength? What is strength you have shown for yourself in this?
Sir,
tell me
yes,
two
sir.
strengths that you have shown.
Sir, I think I shown my friendly manner and how
so
I
okay.
how was I
Okay, next.
and how I passed my life and my life struggle, sir.
Life struggle. Okay. What you didn't talk about anything life struggle at all. You have not shown any struggle at all.
Sir, any struggle means, sir, how I spend my time, sir.
That is how do you spend your time? That's okay. You played football.
No, means
you played study. That's all.
No, sir. Means struggle of life means, sir. The means how I can't answer it, sir.
So what I'm trying to say, you must be able in a position to analyze yourself. That is what is most important, isn't it? What are the qualities which you think that has emerged? No, you remember we had talked about it on that. There are 15 qualities which should emerge around there. What is the first quality? Is the effective intelligence. What is effective intelligence? Yes. What do you want? Finding solution.
Yes, sir.
Using what?
Finding solution.
Solution day-to-day problem. That is what you say. Using your brain, using your intelligence, finding solution. What all, which all instance have been shown to the interview officer, which indicates that you have got presence of effective intelligence. Tell me two instances.
Sir, that train incident, sir, where the girl
that you are not able to solve. He left it wrong. He gagged you or almost. I mean, you really got, you ran away from the system. He didn't find the solution.
The second instant is
the total interview, that 40 minutes that you have already gone through. Tell me the two instances during the interview. I'm not talking what you've done in personal life, which indicates your presence of.
Yes, sir.
There were two. The interview officer and GTO will not start until he's clear about your reasoning ability.
Yes, sir.
So, okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the two instances where you talk about reasoning ability, which indicates the presence of reasoning ability.
Sir, organize a football match, sir.
That you are not, that he already brought out so many instances. You just simply, you talked about so many things which you have missed out. That is organizing ability, not reasoning ability.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Now, Suraj, are you there? Unmute yourself. Comment. Suraj. Yeah, Suraj.
Sir, I am audible.
Yeah, you're audible. Now tell me, give me your reviews on this interview.
Sir, my views on interview.
Yeah.
Sir,
How
the
do you rate
interview-
this interview? How do you rate our friend Rocky? What do you
Sir,
think he has
for-
done well? What do you think he has not done well?
Yes, sir. I'm giving the answer. Sir, for me, the interview is quite interesting, and I have learned so many things
That
from
is
the
your
interview.
personal. Forget about your personality. Now tell me about the interview per se. What do you like? What do you not like? What was the weakness? What was the strength of the person being interviewed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I like the sir way how both of means how sir and how Bhaiya is communicating.
Forget about sir.
And-
Sir is the master. Don't about the sir. I'm talking about what is the performance of Rocky?
Sir, the performance of Bhaiya is good, and because it give her it give him an experience, and I will rate Bhaiya's performance out of 10 to 4 or 4.5.
Okay, 4. So higher or lower? So it is just passing.
Sir, Sir, Bhaiya is lacking in conversation in English. Otherwise, the performance of Bhaiya is good.
Okay. So 31 is like he lacks communication skill. Okay. What else?
Sir, and in my opinion, he tried to extending the things which is not correct. If he try to answer exactly, then it will better for him.
So see, he tried to answer things which were not asked. Is it? This is what you are trying to say.
Yes, sir. He tried to extending that.
Extend. What does the extending mean?
Means that unnecessarily we are making
So unnecessary. So he spoke unnecessary. The things which were unwarranted, he talked about it. Can you give example?
Sir, sir, when sir has asked about um, him about the traveling, then he had said that
Yeah, go ahead. You're right. He did talk about the traveling and all that. And when he talked about traveling, he could only talk. He traveled 2 years back, and traveling was supposed to be interesting. And he talked about which area he went from traveling, and he couldn't afford to answer what is the reason for what did he gain, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Anything else you would like to add? Okay. Nikhil. Now let's have your views.
Sir, in my opinion, interview went well. Few things is no negative and positive points, sir. First, I will go negative. That is, he lacked clarity on certain things. Like that traveling, he was not able to express clearly what he learned. Although he mentioned he learned, then his power of expression was, although he had something in his mind, but he was not able to express clearly. Then communication skill he needs to work on. He lacked courage when there was a traveling issue. He lacked courage. Apart from this, his presence of mind is bit average. Then he is less attentive while answering series of questions. His strength will be liveliness whenever he faced something and he was not able to answer well. At time, he come back strong and he tried to answer in a better way. Then his zeal to join forces, zeal that is had himself to learn and to grow that he had. Reasoning ability, I would say he has 50-50. Apart from this, he is helpful. He is a guy who can bear responsibility at his home. He's younger. And last, and I will say that he has never give up attitude. He will learn, and his learning attitude is better. So.
Okay. Nice. Now we have Gaurav from I think Amravati around there. He has joined us right now. When did you join, Gaurav? Did you receive
Sir,
any part of the interview or not? No.
yes, sir, I joined, sir, 10 minutes, 10 minutes back, sir.
Okay.
So,
And how do you like this interview? If you what were little you have, I know you joined late, so that's the reason. So what were you put here and what you would like to make out of it?
yeah, sir. The one thing that I noted that this candidate is trying really hard to answer the question, irrespective of the fact that his communication skills are bad. It's
Correct.
not that he is not trying. And that's the first thing. And the second thing that I noted that when you ask, like you are not telling, like what are the problems that you faced in life. So he tried answering that, but then because of the lack of his communication skills, he gave up. Like,
Okay.
okay, sir, I don't have any incident as
Okay.
such to explain about.
Okay, very nice. As far as before Colonel Colonel Kadam takes on, I just want to say, as you rightly put, first and foremost, the first thing which is the communication, he has tried. Let me just do from coming back from a Hindi background and the government school. I grant this gentleman that he is trying to still, he is much better off because he has done his 10th, 12th, and graduation from a government school, that too in Habra, where neither Hindi is being taught well nor even English is being taught well. And in spite of that, if Rocky has been able to communicate well, I think grant this much that he has put in a lot of effort to understand English. Yes, he is thinking, but he is not able to put across those things in the words that he does. So he ought to improve upon that. Okay, please. Now, the problem comes up again, so that also indicates the grammar and all particular thing that comes into play around that he has to do it around that. Now, he is talking about how, when he says, when he talked about traveling, he talked about how people live and on the surface of the earth. So that means he is not able to talk what is it. Question answer should be direct. He should have understood, rightly put, because he has not paid attention to what he was asked for and what has is he supposed to answer. He is talking, beating on the bush, and he is talking about it. Secondly, he is trying to be evasive because the interest he is saying he is traveling is supposed to be interest and hobby, and he is talking he traveled 2 years back. And you're talking about one particular place he goes around there. It means that cannot take an interest. If you until you spend time to go about it, you're doing nothing. How many places? You could have talked about 10 places. It is not necessary you go across say 1,000 kilometers to for traveling. Traveling could be in an area around you, which he would have been done. Which I am 200% sure he would have done it. But he is not in a position to communicate which all places. Even hundreds of places are in and around Habra itself, which I am 200% he would have already gone. He could have talked about those places. They are the places which they are archived value, all the particular things, and what he learned from the history of those places, which he is not able to communicate at all. So that is one thing. And then he talk a lifestyle. He's talking about lifestyle. Again, that's more of a lack of communication and understanding. Probably, in any case, if you find either any difficulty in between, you can shift over to Hindi if you find difficulty and come back to English, because the two languages which are communicated, which you could have done rather than stuck into English only, which you can't afford to express. You should have done that. Okay. Now, extracurricular activity, he's talking about football. Football, I have already told you already. Football cannot be extracurricular activity. Football has to be a sports. Is it sports? He talks about it. He did try and talk about football a bit. I think it's okay. Granted that much. He's talking about champion trophy. Which champion trophy is being is held in football? Harvey, Rocky. Which
Yes, sir.
Which is the champion trophy?
Sir, there is a Champions Trophy, sir. It's the only name, sir. Champions Trophy, sir.
And champion which all teams are playing?
Sir, it is
conducted. It is a national,
sir,
national
sir,
where?
international level, sir.
Where the champion trophy? Who are teams? When did India participate in it?
Sir, all countries are there to participate in it, sir.
When did India participate in champion trophy?
Sir, India, sir, did not participate because, sir, it has not that much international level team, sir.
That is a World Cup. That is they are all talking about difference of the champion, which is champion trophy. Let's check that. Please be sure what you talk about it.
Yes, sir.
Which be sure what you just can't afford to. This gentleman, I think, interview also would have seen hundreds like you. He may not be knowing. He's not supposed to know everything, but he can be best assured. And with hundreds and thousands of people here interacting, he would really be in a position to understand what you are trying to talk about it. So be factful. Do not play with facts. That goes into the system of lying or trying to deviate which are there. Okay. Then he said, jumps and teach. Now, you talk very good thing that you couldn't afford to maintain, as is right, attention. Expectations are there. They call CIQ, comprehensive questionnaires, and their number of questions are into one. They call it normal form, they call it rapid fire. So the number of questions he expects to answer them in the same sequence. Very first question he jumped across from the education, he came back to teacher, and they came back again. He will try to answer later on. So until and unless, as I said, it is our human tendency to remember what we get first and what we remember last. But in between, there is a tendency to forget. Okay, we are human, we will forget. As he has already earlier also he has said about it, that 80% chance, if you can answer the question at 80%, fair enough. He doesn't have to repeat it. The time he repeats it, he repeats his question. Okay. Then he talks about details about the football is, I think, is 105 meter by 68 meter is supposed to football ground. That you waited away. He didn't talk, he asked you football ground. You were talking about football post. He asked you what is the size of the football ground. He didn't ask you football post. You kept on answering what is the height and weight and all focusing on the football post. So you're far away from this. Then your interaction with the home affair, it leaves a lot to be communicated. You're not a bad person. You are a fairly good person, but you could afford to. It's not necessary. You have 3 brothers. You're being alone at home. Mother is working at home. You can't only be doing money vegetable. You would be doing so many things because your mother was sick. Who cooks the food? Probably you would be getting some food somewhere. Who will clean the floor? There is so many things. Something will have to be done. You may or may not, if you're not doing that, it's bad. We could not afford you, in spite of the fact that you had the freedom to talk about yourself and say that you are a contributor towards the house and all. What was the small little activity that indicates how well you are. Social adaptability. Talk about it. That your adaptability, how our sense of responsibility comes into play. So it has not come back. Even though he has not talked about how do you interact with the people, with the friends in and around, he didn't talk about it much. Even he had a question on there when your friends playing with the the cards and someone was flying around there and your friends won't go. You could have first person, no, sir, they will go. They are all my friends. And who is stopping from saying no, they won't go. So those are all things which is there. One thing which is good about it, you really came back. You should have highlighted that you had tried to know your family conditions are not very nice, but in spite of that, your socio-economic condition being bad, still you are trying to evolve and trying to do well. You spend time to teach so that there be some amount of earning there, and that earning you can utilize for your own studies and aspect. That's a good thing. That's the only policy which I come back around there. Okay. Then he's talked about the music. The worst thing which I liked about you talked about your famous ghazal. And would you understand what the ghazal means? That simply indicates to me very once emotionally you are unstable. There's some problems, amount of problems that you probably you're facing in your own house is so tremendous that it has forced you to become a poet. When you talk about a hawk, you talk about what are the first two lines? What were the first two lines you said?
Sir, in आग से निकले हम राख में
आग से, I mean, आग से निकले खाक में लेते. आग से निकले, what does it mean? So you have so much of problem around there and you are not in a position to cope up with this. Your personal problem which is getting reflected in your poem. And yes, similarly, that's basically, and similarly when you talk about again, when you talk about they are not the so Purane, they are not there. And lastly, it's simply vindictive. That's it's simply biased. Because you think that all judges are not going to do the right thing, which is wrong. That indicates that you have a certain amount biased toward the society which you belong to. When you talk last week, last line which you said, that जो आपका काजी है, काजी को देखता है, काजी मुजरिम कोई और है, काजी किसी और को सजा देता है. What does it indicate? Where was the need to bring that? That itself, having understood rather, that is sufficient for me to indicate that you're honest, emotionally you're too sensitive. You're very, very sensitive. You're a very sensitive person. And that sensitivity gets reflected very much here. Okay, आग से खाक में जाना, and then probably last में गाजी and the Gaji that is very so that you are not able to solve the problem. You ran away. Then last when he talks about you ran away from the system. In fact, he forcing you to think rightly in that direction. You may be one person. I'm younger. How can a girl is being raped and molested around there, and you're sitting there? You can do little what you go to run away to RP and so. Why can't you take help of other people in and around? So you could have that. You could ascertain that is how motivation comes into play. So they are the all purpose thing which you have to be talking about. He talked about league and you talked about knockout system. Then he told details that you wanted to give it, which he desired you have not given it at all. Okay, so that is how I rate it down there. There is nothing wrong with you. Are a good person. Let me just tell you very sincerely, you are a good person. You have a good motivation to join services. Unfortunately, fortunately, even your marks which are there, that is even graduation marks are not at all indicator of your own system. You have to work hard. Understand? Interviewing also is working at the conscious level. At the conscious level. And if he is working at the conscious level, you cannot afford to go wrong. He is the only person. He has got to extract what he wants from you, what you are speaking to him. So until you give out those classes, think properly. Jैसे आप दो it is a reaction. No, it is a response. You have to think before you अपने जैसे भाषा को बात को तौल कर बोलना. You must know what effect it is going to have. Just don't speak for the heck of it. You wanted to show up that गदर लिखता हूँ. गदर मतलब ऐसा उल्टा है which goes totally against you. Totally against you. You remember we talked about personality where things are there, so it's going to be totally wrong against you. Total. Okay, so that's how I think overall you got to do. There's nothing wrong with you. You are a good person. Since your academic performance is not so great anywhere around there, you ought to work very hard. Prove to the also and to the assessor that you are a person who deserves to be recommended by the people. That's my take around there. Now I hand over to Colonel Kadam for his analysis. Thank you, sir.
Right, sir. Rocky,
Yes, sir.
overall interview, what do you think of yourself?
Sir,
And the feedback that you have got.
Sir, I think there is very lack of things in my personality. I will work on it to overcome it, sir.
Okay. What I find is you're underconfident and you have taken this interview casually. You know why? You have not answered any question directly. You have just tried to wish away the question by talking subjective things, just generalized things. You have to understand the aim of interview is to judge your mind, your psychology, what you think, how after training will you become a good junior military leader or not. So you have to project yourself accordingly. The moment somebody asks a question, first thing should come to your mind, what is the meaning of that question? अगर एक सवाल कि तू कहाँ से आ रहा है, अगर अलग अलग सिचुएशन में सेम क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड, we will have different meanings, different answers. If you come back home and your mother asks you कहाँ से आ रहा है, तो you have to give friend के घर से, college से, बाजार से, whatever it is. Same thing if a stranger asks you in a train, where are you coming from? What will be your answer? No, you're not listening.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rocky, you unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Conversing
Yes.
with Rocky and
Yes, sir.
will be on non-mute mode. Please answer to him. What we are asking for?
Yes, sir. If some stranger will ask me from where are you coming, I will tell my locality like Havda or Kolkata.
Yes. So similarly, same question, you can question yourself many times, and you have to be logical and answer the question what is asked as per that situation. Now, the comprehensive questions, just about 10 odd questions, at your age, your education, you should be able to answer in that sequence. At the same time, relevant answers, not just wishy-washy, some generalized answers. You will think you have given all the answer, but doesn't help. It really bores the interviewing officer also. Okay, and that will lead to interviewer thinking. You should be opening your book. It's like a book which I am trying to read, and the book should be open. If you don't open yourself, I will not be able to read the book or read you, and you will 200%, he will give you 0 marks. तो किताब खोला ही नहीं, पढ़ा ही नहीं मैंने कुछ, तो मैं क्या बताऊंगा किताब के बारे में? Isn't it? Have you understood? So you have to take things seriously. You have been very lucky. How many percentage of your youth get roti, kapda and makan and get chance to study up to graduation from India? I'm not talking other poor countries, African countries, other Asian countries. I'm talking just about India. Tell me, you are in what bracket? You are in the highest bracket of being lucky in life already. So there is no need for you to be casual or underconfident. If you are under, what will happen to rest of the Indian kids? Those who don't get 2 square meals a day. Huh? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have got your own father, mother, 2 brothers. People don't even have that family also. And no meals also. No roti, kapda, makan fully. You have got everything full. Such a good family you have got. A big family. And you are so lucky in life, and if you don't take things seriously, who will? In this interview, you have to project yourself. You have to think yourself कि मैंने क्या project करना है? कि yes, I am a confident young man, and I'll be able to fight for the nation for which you want to join, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And you don't trust your own friends. उन्होंने बोला मैं नहीं आऊंगा तुम्हारे साथ, तो लड़की को पहचाने, तुमने चुप चुप बैठ गया. मैं होता तेरी जगह उसको एक थप्पड़ उसी में होता है. पहली बात तो my friends who are traveling with me, coming out, there is no question of they not liking coming to help, coming immediately to go and see what's happening. So you are just wishing, ठीक है नहीं है तो नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, चलो मैं देख लेता हूँ क्या है, क्योंकि इसने बोला है मेरे को कोई, तो कुछ तो कर लेता हूँ मैं. No. You must say at that time, interviewing officer will put you in a fix. You have to say कि कैसा मेरा दोस्त है, ऐसा this मेरे साथ आ ही नहीं सकता, ये मेरा दोस्त हो ही नहीं सकता, वो मेरे साथ 100% आएगा. And once you go there, even if you have gone alone, you're traveling alone. A young man like you, the 2-3 chaps you will not take on. At least tell the girl, run away from here, I'll sort these people out. You might get hit, you might break your bones, you might break your head. But what is important?
Save that girl,
It
sir.
is not important, but the girl escaping that situation is important.
Yes.
So your reasoning ability, as somebody has rightly pointed out, it has to be very quick and very fast. Okay, what is important in this situation? वो मेरे को मारेगा तो ये बोलते ठीक है मैं भाग जाऊंगा और उसको दोस्त को बुलाऊंगा. अरे कैसे मारेगा भाई? तुम्हारे पास हाथ नहीं है, पैर नहीं है, 1 है, 2 है, 3 है. ट्रेन में तो रेस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया है, 3 आदमी तो इकट्ठा मारने आ नहीं सकते तेरे को 3 डायरेक्शन से. Correct? So logic has to be there every time and everywhere, right?
Yes, sir.
Questions you have to project yourself and answer them. Let the interviewing officer keep asking you, putting in your fix. You should know, confidence yourself कि yes, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, ऐसे ही होगा. मेरे दोस्त नहीं आएंगे, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, वो मेरे साथ आएंगे. Let him say after that, अच्छा ठीक है, तेरे साथ दोस्त नहीं थे, तू अकेला ही travel कर रहा था. Let him say. But you on your part, you have to show that they are actually your friends. So it tells me that you don't have really good friends. Okay, that speaks about you. You are not capable of having good friends. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now this organization. See, planning is important. What any organizing any event, what is most important? Rocky?
Yes, sir.
What is
Sir,
important?
sir, First of all, sir, it needs, sir, manpower, sir.
Planning is required. Immediately when the principal is giving you the task, immediately there should be few questions in your mind coming out straight away. Like you took it for 1 day. Why 1 day? You say कि कितने दिन होंगे, कौन कौन मेरे असिस्टेंट्स के लिए कितना होगा, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस क्या होगा, कौन कौन किसको किस पे इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ, फटाफट वही. And thereafter plan, and then specific tasks, as I told earlier, you should give specific tasks to your friends. लीग है, कितने मैचेस हो गए, यू हैव टू शो, प्रोजेक्ट करो अपने आप को कि मेरे को पता है फुटबॉल के बारे में. अगर एक आधा चीज उसमें गलत हो गया, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी हो गया तो हो गया. और मैंने पूछा ही नहीं था इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट्स, आई आस्क्ड यू ओनली इंडियन टूर्नामेंट्स. ओके,
Yes, sir.
so that way. Then did you notice your interview was cut short?
Yes,
आपको
sir.
इंटरव्यू टेक्निक के बारे में सिखाया होगा ना अभी, तो आपका इंटरव्यू कट शॉर्ट हो गया, पता चला. I just wanted to bring out a point, if you don't answer the interviewing officer to the point, to his questions, he is not interested in selecting you. Why is he interested? Why should he be interested in you? He's got the enough feedback. He is ये अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट है, ये जॉब देना ही नहीं चाहता, ये विशी-वॉशी कर, कैजुअल है एटीट्यूड, यू विल आल्सो नॉट सेलेक्ट. अगर कोई बिजनेस शुरू किया, किसी को आपको रखना है, अगर वो आदमी कैजुअल है, आप रखेंगे उसको जॉब पे?
No, sir.
हाँ, तो बस वही. तो उसने बोला फिर चलो अभी क्या, व्हाई वेस्ट माय टाइम. मैं भी आदमी हूँ, आई हैव आल्सो गॉट सम ड्रॉबैक्स, है ना.
Yes,
तो
sir.
ऑटोमेटिक आ जाता है, छोड़ो इंटरव्यू, अभी क्या कुछ बचा नहीं इसमें और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. So you have to make him interested. You have to keep answering first the question, and if you want to project yourself, tell something more interesting about it. फुटबॉल का पूछा है गेम के बारे में, उसके इसके फील्ड्स के बारे में, तो बताओ ये होता है, ये साइज होता है, एग्जैक्ट. But then what you have written in PIQ should be correct. You don't play football, you have hardly played any football, you have got hardly any knowledge, and if you write football as a hobby, he is going to question you to find out whether you are telling the truth or not. That is the first thing.
Yes, sir.
And to my judgment, you have not played football much. गलती से कोई टीम में खेल लिया होगा, 2-3 बॉल को मारने की कोशिश की होगी, बस इतना ही. फुटबॉल का फील्ड डायमेंशन, टूर्नामेंट्स में कुछ नहीं पता. और ये पता भी तो आपका इंक्विजिटिव नॉलेज, थोड़ा इंक्विजिटिवनेस कम है. तो हर एक चीज जो भी काम करते हैं उसका डिटेल में नॉलेज होना इंपॉर्टेंट है. Then
Yes,
only
sir.
you can project yourself. Okay, as
Yes,
Colonel
sir.
Prasad has said, you are good, but you have to be extremely good to get into the defense forces and to project yourself as a capable young junior.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
in between, don't worry. I think his net must have crossed on that. Just let me just tell you on that before he joins on that. First and foremost, have I told you the narrative identity? Narrative identity is the identity of individual. How they, by rewriting your past story, small story of life, you have to rewrite it.
Yes, sir.
Then until you see, then that is what is the narrative identity is. There's no point of what is use of my talking to narrative identity and aspect. And I had told you it is the storytelling. Storytelling is an art by itself, which is being taught today. And if we cannot afford to write our own story and tell our story in a proper way when other gets in, but there's no point in wasting time. No problem, sir. Hello. Go back. I'll sort it. No, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. I'll manage it. No problem. Okay. Have you got my point? So I have told you narrative identity. Narrative identity, latest one idea, all latest thing I have talked to you people and you have not even taken cognizance of. I did talk about the storytelling. Storytelling first, until as you tell it, dopamine, release of dopamine, all the particular things around there, you've got release of cortisol. As you said, you're not in a position that you're just thinking that you're doing it. You got to improve a lot, Rocky. Let me just be very, very frankly. No mixing and mixing of the words. You have to travel. You are a good person who would like to do well in life, but that's only at the thinking level.
Yes, sir.
Neither your performance indicates that you're starting with 56%, came back to 75 or top of the class, came back to again 50 odd percent in the graduation, and then doing nothing else and thinking that I will do it. Sorry. Or you have to prove to yourself you have got worth. Let me tell you very frankly. Services, I think God will tell you on the he's I am Code is a good organization where we want people to go. It is not necessarily marks and all things will come and go. It is not marks. It is your own personality which indicates. So you must concentrate on keep cleaning your personality, the way you interact, the way you go about it. I say 15 quality must emerge. Effective
Yes, sir.
intelligence, reasoning ability is very important. If your effective intelligence is not correct, on the psychology will not pass you. Reasoning ability will not correct, interviewing officer and GTO will never pass you. And reasoning ability stands for 4 things. G for grasp, I for inquiry, R for history, L for logic. You are not logical, it will never come through. Okay. So I will not, I'll wrap it up here. Any question from anyone? Anyone would like to ask any question? Over and over, Rocky, any other person, you can ask any question on this. Okay. First of
Sir,
all, yeah,
may I?
Bolo.
Sir, what should I mean in your point of view? What should he do? Because
He-
he has that zeal to improve himself, his zeal
Really,
to
it
work.
is understand. We have already talked about 4 things. First and foremost, you must have autonomy. Next is competence. Third is relatedness. Fourth is motivation. Fifth is performance. That are 5 qualities which is essential to be successful in life. It is not I wish to go to moon. That doesn't mean that solves my problem. In order to go
Yes.
to moon, I should have necessary competence. First and foremost, autonomy. It should be my decision to join. Very nice. He wants to join service. Very nice. That's one part of it. And then here, based upon his own autonomy, he should set a goal. And after deciding the goal, how do I reach that goal? I call self-directed learning. It's like a carbon, the nitrogen cycle, like carbon cycle. In order to reach my goal, what are the qualities necessary? And what qualities do I have? What quality are still lacking? Then work on his strength rather than your weakness. I have already said, work on his strength. Reduce the gap between your weakness and strength. And check back, perform, act on it, that is performance. And check back around there, where have I reached? And this purpose cycle is a continuous phenomenon which cannot stop anywhere. It has to be continuously going on. So there is an autonomy. Then you must have the necessary skill sets, that is competence. Until you does this, is including competence can be even the trait theory that we have talked to personality is a cleaning of the personality. How do I clean it? By the way we think, feel, act, behave. So that's a competence. He couldn't even talk about relatives. I cannot go alone in the world. I have to have good people in and around. I must have good people, friends. It's not the people who are playing the cards. I would like the people who are going to stand by the thick and thin of the life. That is relatedness. Motivation is only that. There are motivation, intrinsic motivation, extrinsic motivation. And when you got this intrinsic, that is, it is not extrinsic. That's so. That is extrinsic. I get an appointment, I get a rank. That's extrinsic. What is intrinsic? That is what motivates a person. We call cognitive, phonetic, and affective theory. That is what really works on the system. And unfortunately, in our all teaching, nowhere we will talk about all these aspects. And lastly, you ought to perform. They are all forces. And until the force moves an object to a distance, work is not set to be done. You may have proliferation of all goodness, but until that goodness is completed into logical conclusion through our action, it cannot perform. You may have prepared well, but you fall sick, you don't want to appear in the examination, and you're gone. क्या रॉकी, समझ में आई बात मेरी बात?
Yes,
रॉकी,
sir.
समझ में
Yes,
आई
sir.
मेरी बात?
Yes, sir.
Naji, what is that? Have I answered question, Nikhil?
Yes, sir.
Any
Almost.
other question, anyone? सूरज, कोई सवाल है?
No,
No. Better learn it around there. You've got long way to go. You're a good person. You can do well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anything you want to add, Gaurav? I think old friend of mine.
Nothing specific, sir. So I just wanted to
Sure,
tell,
sure.
sir, all these aspirants out there, sir. I have been a hardcore repeater. Like,
No. Yeah, you can get. I think. Let me just check. He has been our old good friend. I think he is now with the IIM Kozhikode, and he is still. As a matter of fact, it's nice of him. He has joined in. He wanted to join. I think it's nice. I had invited him. It's nice that he joined in, and on time. He'll tell you he's a person who would hardcore repeat. He would like to join services at all cost, and I do wish that we will find some opportunity to go across. To the
yes,
system now.
yes.
We will certainly now. Aim is again. Let me just give you a story. I had a candidate today about say 1 year back. He was from. He was a very devoted soul. He was working. He passed out from NIT Kurukshetra. NIT Kurukshetra, and he was working with Engineers India Limited, which is good concern. Engineers India Limited. And one fine day, through some friend of mine, I don't know from where he found out, he says, marijuana. He stayed with him for 5 days. Almost he stayed in hotel around there. He was working on there as an officer around there. There is no way. And he had already appeared 9 times, and 9 times he had failed. I say, who has failed you? You are not in a position to show your own thing. So it is not what is it? You have got, all of us have got everything great. Strength, we have got it. I must be in a position to show that until you exhibit those particular qualities, it cannot. And that gentleman, God was very kind. He passed on, and he passed out number 2 or number 3 in the merit in from IMA. Just was 1 year back. So that's happening. That gives a. So it is not the why you write the hardcore. That is again, there is no point. There is no end to it. First keep trying. One thing you must understand, by passing SSC, you don't do anything great. But if you while passing, it gives you a lot of confidence. It gives you great your own feeling, your own feeling. So nothing wrong. So we must keep trying, and that way God will be kind to us. That's the only thing I would say. Okay, right then. Thanks a lot to all of you. Gaurav will talk separately on the system. Nandya, I thought you want to be part of it. Yes, so we'll talk separately. You can, whenever you find time, you can give me a ring, and then we'll either on same link
Sure.
or anytime we can talk separately. Okay. Suraj, we will talk separately again. Suraj, I think you are the person. You are next time we'll talk about it. Okay. Right then. Thanks a lot.
Thank
Nice
you very
talk.
much, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you very
Sir,
much.
I'll make you
Jai
a
Hind.
phone call,
Thank you,
sir,
Gaurav, for
maybe on
joining.
weekend, sir.
Yeah, Nikhil. Yeah, Gautam. Gaurav, anything, anytime. You can either in phone or anytime. Tell me, I'll be there. No problem. That's not an issue. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Sure.
Okay. Nikhil.
Thank you, sir.
Nikhil, anything else?
No, sir. No, sir.
Thank
Everything
you.
is
Okay, bye.
fine, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
sir. Jai Hind. Bye,
Thank you
sir.
very much, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you.